When analyzing bedroom Feng Shui, people obsess over rigid layouts. But in modern homes, pre-installed closets and built-in furniture make it nearly impossible to reposition your bed freely. No matter how large your room is, architectural limitations often block your ideal flow. If you want to disarm severe health anxiety, do not force a broken layout. Instead, view your furniture pathway as the literal bloodlines of your space. When an indoor pathway is blocked by awkward furniture placement, the spatial energy chokes, causing silent biological stress and physical illness. First, free your room's circulation by ensuring your daily walking path is completely clear. If your bed position cannot be changed, you must balance the space through the correct color tones. Sacred Feng Shui always follows the direction of natural light. If your bedroom faces north, style your bed sheets and blankets in pale mint green or soft cream tones to warm the cold void. If your bedroom faces south, utilize charcoal gray or light sky blue bedding to cool down the excessive fire element. If your room faces west, choose pure, absolute white linens to strengthen the clear metal energy. And if your sanctuary faces east, you are blessed with the sovereign direction of dawn, requiring no strict color laws. Align the bloodlines of your sanctuary tonight. The masterclass is linked below. This is the Multidimensional Creator. Style your flow. Design your life.